Hey, I am right now working on 2007 white Hummer H2. I'm putting in some halos. I'm going to show you, I've done it to my old truck. I don't know if you've seen it out there, the other Hummer, but I'm going to do it to one of my buddies here. He got the Eagle. Yep, the Eagle lights, 6700 lumens or something like that. It's ridiculously bright with some the halos. I'm gonna hook it up to where his halos come on when the sign markers are on, and he's got a separate switch for the new fog lights that I'm gonna put in that match. So if you watch my next couple videos, I'm going to show you. That looks pretty dope. I'm going to show you how to do this to a Hummer H2. All makes and models. Alright, I'll be back.